You are not about to tell me that this was not the most fabulous $2 find. No, you're not. Get out of my face if you're gonna say that, because no, you're not. This is a beautiful shawl, and it kind of smells like old lady perfume, but so what? It was $2. This is, oh, this is extravagant, and I can't wait to wear it. Vixen, don't you love it? Is it Vixen approved? It smells like old lady perfume. It's purple, Vixie. Don't you love that? You could lay in it. It's so comfortable. Or, okay, all right, that's enough.